in my influencer era. As you guys have been asking me so many questions, so I'm here to answer all of them, and yeah, I'm super happy and glad that I get a chance to talk to all of you. Also a part of manifestation. So yeah, someday maybe I get real questions about my life and I'm able to answer all of them. Mainly ये video बहुत ही random होने वाला है. There's no script for it. And also yeah, I just wanted to talk and like chit chat with you guys. But I love talking to people, and also to the camera nowadays. It has been like my favorite thing to do these days. I am really excited to film this entire video, and let's get started and cover most of our questions. How does it feels to live in Bangalore? So this is a really nice question, and I hope someone asks me someday the same question. I feel Bengaluru has altogether a different vibe. It offers so many kinds of experiences, so many diverse set of cultures, so many people, so many type of people you get to interact with. So that's the best thing about it. And also the South Indian food is amazing over here. I love the dosas, love the idlis, and after living here, I have started to feel like, okay, was I a South Indian in the last birth or something? Because I crave dosas like anything. I can have it maybe like every other day. So that's how much I love it. And also the kind of exposure it offers to you and to your overall family as well. It's pretty nice. You'll have so many amenities to utilize, and also the connectivity is very nice to all of your hometowns and places. So I truly believe the exposure, the amount of growth it offers, this city has a lot to offer. This is one of the best cities I have lived in. Bengaluru has my heart. The next question I would like to answer is whether you had a normal delivery or a C-section delivery. So I had a normal delivery by God's grace, and also it was really difficult time as well. I think whatever, no matter what's the mode of delivery, every woman goes through so many changes in their body while delivering the baby. And once I have gone through that process, now I realize how commendable it is to be a mom actually, and going through all of that pain and being there and just doing all of that for your child is highly commendable. And salute to all the moms. And I believe after becoming a mom, I also started to have more gratitude towards my parents as well, because the things which we are going through right now are so difficult. When you are new parents, you have to handle a toddler, an infant. It's too difficult to handle. Basically, you always have to put yourself second and your baby the first. So you'll also try to and deprioritize yourself. You'll learn to actually prioritize your child over everybody. So I think that's something also you learn with time when you turn a parent. So yes, hats off to all the parents, in fact, not just moms, but also to all the amazing fathers out there who are doing everything. So I'll make a more detailed video on my delivery and how was my experience, because I think that entire video will take close to half an hour of time session, and I don't want to just stretch it out a bit. I just want to touch base on the major points, and then we can discuss about it in the next video. The next question I would like to answer is so how do you manage work, baby, content? How do you keep yourself motivated? So honestly speaking, I don't keep myself motivated at all. There are days when the work suffers, there are days when the personal life suffers, and there are also days when the content creation suffers. So it usually is a choice, I would say. Mainly you should be driven to do things, and it's not always about prioritizing things. It's also about the motivation you get internally for doing things. You should be driven from inside. So honestly, for me, it's always a mix of highs and lows, wherein every day is a challenge where you have to make that choice. Okay, you have to show up at all the aspects of life, and there's no choice basically. How long have you been married for? Okay, so I have been married for 3 years. We just celebrated our 3rd year anniversary. If you haven't watched the video, watch the video right here. And if like it feels like, I would say, we know each other since quite some time. So we were college sweethearts, and then we decided to get married. So yes, that's how life has been for us, and we have been together for, I think, close to 12 years now. So it's been a great journey, touch wood, and I'm glad that, you know, we are finally with the person whom we actually loved since the beginning. So the next question is, how do you take care of yourself? But whatever little things which I'm able to do for myself mainly involve, like, you know, applying a quick face pack, hair mask whenever I'm washing my hair. Apart from that, I try to like follow a routine in terms of eating good things. I try to like refrain myself from eating a lot of junk. That is something which you can follow. Try to go for homemade meals. Those are the most healthy ones. And yeah, these are few of the things which you can involve and indulge in. And try to go for a walk whenever you can. It's not always, it always have to be very rigorous sort of routine or rigorous exercise thing which you need to follow. You can always go for a small walk. It's better to do something than nothing. Next question, how much do you earn? So honestly, the only stream of income right now is through my job. There's no stream of income from YouTube as of now. YouTube, are you listening? Just push my videos. So yes, I'm just motivating myself to, like, you know, stay very punctual with posting videos and generating content, just so that someday I'm able to like generate another source of income as well and fulfill my dream. What are your hobbies? So I love singing, I love playing basketball, but after college I didn't got a chance to play and follow my sports. Apart from that, I also like singing, dancing. These are, I think, the general hobbies. And the new passion which I have discovered is cooking. And the obsession now I have is with home cooked meals. Oh my god, I can cook anything. I don't even feel hesitant in actually, like, you know, going to the kitchen, just getting into those hour-long processes. I can just go cook whatever I want to eat. And so yes, that's a new discovered passion, I would say. Any tips for new moms? So honestly, I'm still figuring out how to like tackle everything. Every day is a new challenge, but I do feel always ask for help whenever you need. You don't have to distress yourself with a lot of emotions. There are so many things which you go through. So always try to seek help from your family and try to reach out whenever you need to. Yeah, just be happy, just enjoy that phase. Every phase lasts for, like, you know, just some time. So just enjoy that phase and try to be happy in that phase. Everything will like pass by. So just, I think, hook onto that and just live each day with full enthusiasm and full happiness. I think that is nice for your health as well. So that was about the video. If you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more such videos. I'll be coming up with more content and more chit chat videos with you in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Sunshine, sunshine.